మీది అది మ్యాగ్నిఫై చేయొచ్చు. నాది మీకు ಗೊತ್ತೈతుందో లేదో ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ఉందా?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ.
ఓకే మా ఫైన్. ఇప్పుడు
నా ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ఉందా?
మీద 100/70 పల్స్ రేట్ ఎంత?
114.
పల్స్ రేట్ ఓకే. కొంచెం జాస్తి.
ఆక్సిజన్ వచ్చి 199.
ఇంకొకటి 90. ఓకే మా. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సుదర్శన క్రియ. సో మీరు నేను కన్నడలో చెప్తాను, లేకపోతే ఇంగ్లీష్లోనే చెప్పేస్తాను బెటర్.
ಯಾವುದೇನಿ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂಕಲ್, రెండు వస్తుంది.
Because it is recording and it will helpful to everybody. And now I am going to demo what I don't call this as Sudarshana Kriya. I call this as cardiopulmonary exercise. That means lung and heart exercise. Okay. Just now you saw that my pulse is 69 or 70 and my pulse oximeter, my pulse, I mean this oxygen level is 97. Now I do this kriya or this exercise and you can measure both. Okay. Now you see here. First you should sit erect. This is very important. Not like this. It is a collapsing. If I sit, my chest, my neck, my head, and my stomach, the whole body should be straight in a single line. Okay. Now I will start, and you observe me. Don't do now. Okay. So now I will measuring the time. How much I am doing, how many minutes continuously I am doing. So now I started my stopwatch. Okay. Now now it is 1 minute over. Now my 2 minutes over. Just wait.
Uncle,
1 minute.
Hmm.
And my 3 minutes over. So this is my
Okay.
recording.
Ah.
Now I will record my pulse rate. Can you see
Yeah.
now what's my condition? I'm
Hmm.
sweating and I cannot talk. My
Yes.
respiration is so fast. See, my hands are sweating. I'm
Ah.
sweating. You can see.
Yeah.
Now my pulse rate and my oxygen rate, it will show you.
భస్త్రికా ఇట్లే కదా అంకల్ చేసేది?
Amma? No, no, not for you.
No.
Just
Okay.
I'm doing, showing.
Ah.
So you can see me, what changes I am occurring. I am sweating, my heartbeats are very fast, my lungs are respirating very
Hmm.
fast.
Hmm. So now it will be more, I think.
My this thing, you see, and tell me,
95, 123.
95 and 123. Okay, so my pulse rate is 123 and this is 95. He should come still less.
Hmm.
So just it is a demo.
Hmm.
If your husband, he is a doctor, pathologist, if he was here, it's nice. Problem, anyway, it is recorded because they know the benefits of all these things and everything.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you are asking some question. You ask.
Hmm.
You
ఇప్పుడు
can ask English.
this, yeah, this yoga I thought it is Bhastrika. Bhastrika pranayam we'll do like this, no?
That is not Bhastrika.
This is not Bhastrika.
This is
Okay.
what you are doing is same. Some people they call Kriya, of course, Sudarshana Kriya. But I
Oh.
call this as heart and lung exercise in normal, I mean, in simple language.
Uh-huh.
So we
So this
doctors
is
call it as cardiopulmonary exercise. It's a good
cardiopulmonary.
exercise for heart and lungs. You saw
So
that
for
my
corona this is helpful.
before I doing this, and it came to 130. 70 means nearly 140. If I can do, I can take it to 140 also. Just I did it 3 minutes completely, continuously. But you people should not do this one. Just this is a demo. I am sweating even now.
Yes.
So, okay.
Hmm.
And now you do this one. Whatever you know you are doing, and the precautions are very important.
Hmm.
One is you should clean your nostrils, not now, in the morning, early morning. Whether you do exercise, yoga or not, we should clean our nostrils very nicely. That means near the wash basin, sweat your the outer nasal cavity, outer. This we call it as anterior chamber. There is one small chamber inside, it will lead, and also we should clean it. And the outer one we should clean it, make wet of your hand, index finger, put it in the right and make it a clockwise and anti-clockwise with the wet hand, with finger. All the dust, everything will be loosened. Again, you wet this little finger, put it inside the nostril, clean it. That we call it as posterior chamber. And in corona, they take this swab from the outside and also inside. That's really good. And inside chamber, there is small chamber. It will admit your little finger, not index finger. So clean clockwise and anti-clockwise. Similarly on the left side. Now, in front of the wash basin, you blast your both nostrils. ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂಗ್ ಸೀದೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಸೊ Now what you have to do it from the both side. Both side, you sneeze it. It should come out. Afterwards, what you have to do, close your right nostril and the blast. The force will be more and the water, dust, everything is there, will come out. Now, left one and blast. Okay.
Yeah.
What?
One second, I'm getting call.
If it is important, you can go ahead.
Huh.
Then the cleaning nostrils are very important before yoga or pranayama, whatever may be. Then while doing this one, so you should sit erect. This we call it as in a straight line. That means your body, and if you sit and do it in Padmasana, it's really good. And most of the people, they cannot sit in Padmasana. No problem. You can sit on the hard surface of the bench or stool, not on the sofa. Not on,
I'm sitting on yoga mat.
no problem. Yoga mat you can sit, but it is you can sit in the Sukhasana also. Otherwise, Vajrasana. Even for this, Padmasana is good. No problem. Then sit erect. Now you do it slowly. Whatever you observe, you start doing. I will observe.
Breathing.
Don't worry about that. Just you do it. Do it like this. While doing, take breathe and breath out. Breathe.
Welcome to Detail Music World. The
But
Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
like this. Breathe in, breath out. Breathe in, breath out. Correct? Good. Good. Relax. If you can do. Start with, you do according to your capacity.
Yes, yes.
Don't do it continuously. Now you can see that there is little bit lungs. See, you're breathing. You are breathing. That means your respiration is increased. So if you can, you do it for another 10 rounds. If you
Okay.
can, do
Yeah.
it. If you
10
can.
rounds I do.
Okay. And one more thing, you should open your palms like this, opening like this. Your outside, if I go, your palm should be not like this. Yes, because ozones are there in the sky. That ozones will enter through your hands, not closing. If while going, you go like this, like this. This is breathe in, coming, breath out.
Okay.
Do it now.
Bye. See you soon.
Okay, stop it. Are you feeling tired? Take a rest.
If I do more of this, I'll get this pain.
Exactly. Hands will start paining your shoulders because we are not habited to this.
Used to.
So this slowly we can increase. So I do it continuously for 5 minutes or 6 minutes and continuously. Just I can take every minute, just little bit, one deep breathing, then again I can start. But start with, you don't do like that. And you should not do that much fast also. Do it very slowly, relaxedly, according to your capacity. All yogasanas, everything, pranayama, we should do it according to our capacity. Then once you start doing, your capacity will increase. You will come to know, now I can do another 5 rounds more. This slowly you should increase. And this is the technique. Okay?
First time, how much we should do?
Amma?
First time, when we do for first time, how much we should do?
No restrictions. According to their capacity.
Ah,
And you do it according to your capacity.
okay.
Without any strain, with relaxed, smiling face. Always our remaining body of the body should be relaxed and smiling face And there should, if some people they are doing like, they do like this, yeah, like this, no castral face, always smiling and enjoy. Start with me. We may not enjoy whatever we do, and slowly we enjoy. So that is important. And this is a Sudarshana Kriya. The benefits are, and if you do regularly, you won't get any heart attack. I will tell you. I will give you guarantee. That is my experience also. We have to do it continuously. For Corona, this is really good. Every day, everybody should do it. Not only in the Corona, and always if you do, and you know, if you run for about 20 minutes running, fast running, what benefit you are going to get, you will get here within 5 minutes. Same thing if you run,
Same thing.
it will happen same thing. If you sit, do, and in our body, these two missions are very important. One is heart and another one is lung. And previously, our chief ministers or kings, they used to travel in a plane. The two missions were there. If bus or car, we can stop and we can repair it and go. When the aeroplane once goes, means you are out. So they used to go with the two-engine aeroplane. So similarly, God has given two missions in our body. Whether other things you care it or not, nothing to worry. These two missions, you should take care of this. And you see that the remaining things of your body should be always very good. So everybody can do. And most of the people, they complain, I cannot walk, brisk walk. Doctors, we advise, you do it brisk walk. They do chit chat walk. Chit chat walk. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಸೀರೆ ಇದೆಯಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಡವೆ ಇದೆ. Again, their mind worst, and they walk. They say that we did a walk for 2 hours. You do every day 24 hours, it's not benefited. You should do brisk walk 45 minutes minimum. If you do at the end, you should sweat. You cannot talk with others. So that is brisk walk. Nobody will do. Okay. And what these people they do walk. They burn about 100 calories. Go to MTR and take one German one. On top. About 300 to 400 calories. What is the benefit?
Yeah.
Just for a joke. This is a correct method. Okay. And any other question regarding this?
In Google, I saw that it relieves stress, tension, and all. Is that true?
Exactly. Because this at the physical level, it cures your cold problems. You won't get cold in your life. I will tell you. It's my promise and I am the proof actually. And you won't get any headache. All psychosomatic elements, you won't get. Second one, you won't get sneezings, cold, allergies, asthma, and lungs problem. You won't get anything, and it is towards the lung side. To the heart side, your BP will come to normal. When patients, I will advise something different. Your parameters are everything normal. I am advising you can do now. And here the BP will come to normal, your heart will work very properly, and you won't get BP or giddiness or stroke or any other thing, even heart attack, you won't get in your life. Because I went through, I'm physically fit from the external side. Even if you see, even 20 years, students cannot participate with me while running or when I'm walking or if I do cycling or anything. Nobody. And this says that 20 years is my 70 years. And another thing, what about my internal organs? I went for angiogram and it was showing just about 4 years back. And my angiogram is completely normal, 100% normal, no block, nothing. If you want, I can show it to your dad, my angiogram. And the doctor was so eager to know it's possible. I told you I am practicing yoga since about 30 years. And I'm not boosting myself. I'm appreciating yoga.
Yeah.
Everybody should practice. God has given 24 hours. In 24 hours, just you save for 1 hour for
1
yoga.
hour.
And the remaining, the whole life, you enjoy that life. So,
Can
this
we
might
do 2 times a day, this one?
not necessary.
Morning and evening.
Not necessary. If you do, it's good.
Okay.
Do it, but just do it according to your capacity, morning and night. But the morning is ideal for yoga or pranayama or whatever may be, because night we have taken food and up to morning there is no food. But do it with morning with 1 or 2 glasses of water, and if it is most necessary, you can have coffee or milk, just 1 glass, no solids. If you want to do it in the evening or whatever, at least 3 to 4 hours stomach should be empty. You take care of this and you can do. And any other question about this? And
No.
it's the physical level. What I told you, the benefit, heart and lungs and everything. We know that for our all body, each part of the cell needs the food, energy, and oxygen. These two, if you supply to your body will be hale and healthy. It's at the physical level. At the mental level, what you was asking, the tension headache, and your dad knows that, and your husband will be knowing psychosomatic elements, and these diseases are not curable. From here, tension, headache, your migraine, colds, sneezings, allergies, asthma, heart attack, thyroid problem. Then if you come to the, you will get kidney problem, gastric problem, and adrenaline problem, what not. All these things we call it a
So
psychosomatic.
what is the solution for this?
Ama?
So what is the solution for this?
Yoga, nothing else. That's why even allopathy doctors now advise go for yoga.
Yoga,
And our
meditation.
treatment is not a permanent treatment, it is a temporary. If you come headache, take some analgin tablet. That's not a solution. Again, if you get, take one more tablet. It's not the solution. Permanent relief we want. That means the yoga. That's why I advise to everybody, and your daughter should start from. This is the correct age. From
Yeah.
8 years onward, they can start yoga. Let them learn this. Let them, they can be anywhere else. They will be happy, hale, and healthy. They can enjoy the life. Any other question?
I want to know that only this exercise is in Sudarshan Kriya or many other breathing techniques are there.
Yeah. There is other also, but
This is
just
one, Amma.
so it is at the physical level. I told you mental level, all psychosomatic elements are cured permanently, not temporarily. And
Okay.
at spiritual level, you get bliss. So that is the benefit. Our rishis, ancient rishis, they teach it this not for at the physical level or at the mental level. They did it for spiritual purpose. So the real happiness is within you. Now I want to tell you one story, and I will end this situation. And we are searching for happiness outside. Once what happened, one said he want to do a journey in the train. He's a very rich man, he had lot of money, and the thief came to know that he is a rich man, he is having money. And the thief also purchased the same ticket, similar ticket, and both went and sat in a single same bogie. And the thief came to know he is a rich man, and the rich man came to know he's a thief, and he came to snatch away my money. So train started. The bad luck of Seth, nobody entered into the bogie, and only these two people, they sat opposite to each other. Train started, and they said everybody know, both knows that what is their purpose and everything, and they said once in an hour or sometimes frequently used to take out his money and count the money and keep it in his pocket in front of the thief.
Thief
And the
will get tempted.
thief, yeah, yeah, ನನ್ನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ ಮಾಡು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬರಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. So the thing happened like that. The night came and the saint was snoring, and the thief got up at midnight searched, and he could not get money.
Oh, okay.
Got up and they finished nature call. Again, they come and sat each other. Said again, take out his money, started counting. He, they were become little bit close friend, and he
Oh,
said, Ji, ಎಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಹುಚ್ಚ ಕೆಳಗಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಕಣೋ
ಅಯ್ಯಯ್ಯೋ.
whole story. And he did not search his place. He searched
He
this.
was searching it.
Not only himself, even if we join and try to search that money, we can't get. Not single station, 10 stations. This is our life is happening. We are searching the happiness in the money, husband, wife, family, and that and this and all those things. There is happiness, but not that the same. If you want real happiness, it is within you. When I say this story,
In
you
spiritual way.
1 minute. You will tell me what, sir? You are telling Kakaman Kate, Guvaman Kate. You say
No,
that
no,
I,
no. I'm enjoying it.
you are enjoying, but I will tell you this one. You want proof. Nowadays, the scientific thing, sir, you don't tell me the story, Giri Kakamantara. Tell me is proof. Then I will do whatever sadhana I want to do for that bliss. So, if you go to deep sleep, no, everybody will go to deep sleep. Okay? There, do we take our husband, TV, children, or our pizza, our not ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಬರ್ಗರು ಇಂಥವೇನಾದ್ರು ನಿದ್ದೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವ? ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮನೆ ಮಠ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಸ್ತಿ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಟಿ ವಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಯಾರೂ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ? ಆನಂದವಾಗಿರ್ತೀವೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ? ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಆನಂದ ನನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆಯಿತು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗಳು, ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರೇ 2 ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾತ್ರೆ. ನಾನು ಕೇಳೋದು, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾತ್ರೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ನಿನಗೆ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ವಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಬರ್ಗರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಪಿಜ್ಜಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬೇಕು.
ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆತ್ಮ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸೋಲ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ಕಾನ್ಶಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲ್ಟ್ ಇನ್. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಋಷಿ ಮುನಿಗಳು ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಲಿಸ್. ಬ್ಲಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಪ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನೀರಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನನ್ಗೆ ನೀರು ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಭೂಮಿ ಅಗಿಬೇಕು. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಬ್ಲಿಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಹೇಳೋದು, ಈ ಸೋಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಡಿವೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಮೃತ ಪುತ್ರರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ. Our intention is to do the yoga is not at the physical level, mental level, or the spiritual level. Also, it gives you benefit. No doubt at the physical, mental, and the spiritual. The spiritual is very important. You are going to get that bliss. Already it is within you. Then you need not to depend on the outside bliss. So this is the story ends. And